Morning, boss. Hello. You have an order. You go get it. Okay. Let me get the mail. I'm on it, boss. Good. I think this is the house. Ding dong! Oh, really? I'm about to miss my space food show. Hi. Oh my, I have your parcel. Oh, yeah, you can come in. Okay. See Miss Edson? Yo, look, there's your parcel. Thanks. There you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yeah, bye. I wonder what this is. I want to know. Oh my god, what is this? This must be so. Oh, this is my. Yeah. This is my AI cat that I was seeing all over TikTok shop there. Oh my god. Back to my documentary. It's so good.